That's right. Right there, right there. In that corner. I think that dude's on our team. Yeah. I shot him and I seen the back. Right? He's way up there.
Come out.
He's still right there. Oh, right, he's coming out. He's coming out.
Nice shot.
Yeah. All right, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Hope I want to get shot in the head like this. Cross it, cross it.
Already starting.
You know, is there anyone in that room down there?
Shit.
Ooh, my bad, bro. Yep. Right there, right there. He's in. First door on the right, guys, is in that room. Right there. Fuck. Oh yeah, let's go. Van right here. Woo, that was close. There was someone behind the van. I don't know if they're still there though. Yeah, yep, caddy corner.
Right? Okay,
Yep.
okay. I think he's still there. Yeah, he's still there. Wait, oh, he's out. He's out. Right.
Straight across. There's still two there. There's still two there. Hit. Whew. That's good. Right behind you. Oh, right there, right there. Yep. Out, he's out, he's out.
I'm like shot him in the face.
I seen the foot, I'm like, that got to count, man, I'm gonna get it. Hey! Ooh. Hit!
Huh?
Let's push up the middle, guys. You guys want to push up the middle?
Yeah, stop, push.
Ooh, right there. Hit! He's holding that corner down. He got me twice. He's holding that corner down. Huh. Motherfuck. Hey, that dude can shoot. 3 times he got my ass. God damn. Who the fuck shot me in the back? Look, they're right here. They're coming in. They're gonna be inside. Reload. In this building, Larry. 3 of them. Let me go inside the office. Yep. What? Oh, hit. That, I'm gonna call my head, but that dude definitely didn't call his shit. Yeah, he's not calling his hits. The dude's running from the pump. That's right. Same shit I did last time though. No, I got a battery, it's just overheating. I'm inside the building right here. Yeah. Oh, they're going for the flag. Hey, push that band. They're all down that aisle right there.
Right there?